These are going to be the last travel bags you're ever going to have to get. These are from Vacbird, and I'd like to thank them for sending it to me to review. You are going to get 15 bags, 3 different sizes. I'm going to put them up on the screen. You're also going to get these little clips that actually help seal the bag. You're going to get the compressor, so this is going to go on top here, suck out the air. This gets 90 compressions on the charge, and it takes about 10 to 15 seconds to get the charging cable. And each bag you're going to see, this is how it comes. It'll come like this with a cap on it. You're going to take it off. You put your shirts in. I got 7 shirts in here. So what you're going to need to do is put them in there. Make sure they're behind the spill lines. You have to push it back a little bit, and then you're going to seal it up by either the clip or by hand like this. Once you've sealed it, I always like to double check that they're actually sealed like that. And then if you can push that off, you're going to push on this to actually get all the air out. And then you're going to put the compressor on real easy. Just pop it on there, hit the button, and it's going to suck out all the air. Take that off, put the cap on there, seal it up, and you're good to go. So if you're traveling, you can see this is one of the larger bags. You really can compress it down a lot depending on how you pack it. This is great. If you're looking for a way to have more space while you're traveling, check out Vacbird's 15 bag set with pump.